Got him again. I got a YouTube channel, man.
That's awesome. How many subscribers do you have there?
350.
350?
So I got over 300 videos.
Look it up. You got a card or anything?
No, it's local hammer 82.
Local hammer?
Yep, 82.
All right.
I'm holding the fish that I caught with this bait right here.
Wow.
There's not very many of them around, many of us around these parts, because it's really difficult to make a video. I only get to fish on Sundays for like 3 hours. So every video you've seen or that you happen to watch or whatever of mine, it happened within 3 hours. I literally pulled it up to his face, dropped it in front of him. He kind of went up, and then but he's so small, he just had the tail end of it. He's still there. He's still there. Told you he was small. The mooch minnow. I think much bigger than the damn bait. The old mooch minnow on a Ned head. Working it just like a Ned rig. More and just scooped it up. Ooh. Yeah, hey, that bass is back. He's right here. Let's see if I can get him again. It'd be funny if I did. He's going for it. He nose down on it. I think he's wisened up to the idea that this minnow is not real, I believe. Yeah. Well, I don't know how long a bass's memory is, but oh damn. Got him again. Same fish. The same fish.
I'm trying to like dig it on the bottom.
It's like bed fishing almost.
Yeah.
Come here, baby.
I'm so lazy right now.
Yeah, same fish. Got him right there. That's awesome.
I was like, you might have catch him though, like 4 or 5.
I didn't even know he had it. I just seen my line swimming away, and he turned this way.
Yeah.
I didn't even see his mouth open or nothing. He just...
Yeah.
There's no telling how long he had it. It'd be sick if I catch him again. If he comes back over here. It's time to go. It's time to go. Well, we caught the same fish twice, so I guess that's in the winter time. So apparently he was a really, really dumb one. So at least we caught one twice. Caught one fish twice. That's pretty funny. That is pretty funny. Mooch minnow on a Ned rig. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? Maybe that's that secret that Jacob Wheeler hasn't been telling us about. You know? See y'all on the water.